G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons and we're here looking at the Polaris 4-wheel drive Essential Smart Kit. It's your ultimate roadside companion. This kit packs a serious punch for any off-roader that wants to be prepared. Whether you're muddy, flat-tired, need a jump start or just need a tidy up after a big day adventuring, this kit's got you covered. Now first up, the emergency tyre inflator, and it's simple, it's powerful and it's easy to use. All you do is pull up, plug it on, pump away. This is a must-have for every 4-wheel drive owner. Even great to pump up your soccer ball, your beach toys, motorbikes and push bikes. Now this is literally a lifesaver. This jump starter is powerful enough to bring your vehicle back to life. It's great for up to 4 litre petrols or 2.5 litre diesels, but this one is a 3 litre diesel. And the best part is it doubles as a power bank, meaning you can charge your iPhone or your smartphone or your GoPro, even in the middle of nowhere. Long days on the track equals dirt and dust everywhere, but with this cordless vacuum, your 4-wheel drive will look sharp. Its smart design makes it lightweight, rechargeable and quiet. It comes with a HEPA filter and a smaller attachment that gets into all those annoying crevices. Covered in mud? Good, but don't bring it home with you. This portable washer blasts off dirt with surprising power. Just chuck the hose in a bucket of water and you're good to go. And the best part is you don't even need a bucket because you can just throw it into a creek. There's a protection filter on the end of the hose. The nozzle can be adjusted for different spray modes, and with its high compression technology, it can blast up to 8 metres. And the icing on the cake is that it comes with a foam cannon for a next level clean. And with this kit, charging sorted too. I can leave my phone here and go and finish setting up camp. This 15,000 milliamp hour battery provides secure power from the USB-C cable, which has super fast charging for phones as well. Or if camp's all done, just set your phone down on the wireless charger and let it do its thing. No more messy cords rolling around. If you're planning a longer trip, we've got extra batteries available too, so you've always got a freshly charged battery to swap out whenever you need it. So whether you're tackling the high country, the beach or just heading out for the weekend, the Polaris 4-wheel drive Essential Smart Kit is everything you didn't know you needed until now. It's tough, compact and ready to go when you are.